All right, everyone, this is your big idea to review: data. So let's remember, data is basically the foundation of computer science. Almost everything we use in technology depends on data. Apps, social media, GPS, streaming services, all of it runs on data. First, think about how data is collected. Data can come from sensors, surveys, user input, online activity, transactions. Basically, anytime you click, type, or interact with technology, data is being generated. Next, how is data represented? Computers don't understand words, pictures, or music the way we do. Everything, and I mean everything, gets converted into binary. That means zeros and ones. Whether it's a photo, a video, a number, or text, underneath it all are bits. We also talked about data abstraction. This is when we simplify complex information so it's easier to work with. Instead of focusing on every single detail, we organize data into structures like lists or databases. Abstraction helps programmers manage large amounts of information efficiently. Then there's data compression. Compression reduces the number of bits needed to store or send data. There are two types you need to remember. Lossless compression. No data is lost. You can get the original back exactly. Lossy compression. Some data is removed to make the file smaller. This is common with images, audio, and video. Finally, think about how data impacts the real world. Data helps scientists research diseases. It helps businesses make decisions. It helps doctors treat patients. It even helps you decide what route to take home. As you prepare for the exam, ask yourself, can I explain binary representation? Do I know the difference between lossless and lossy compression? Can I describe what data abstraction does? Do I understand how large data sets affect society? Remember, data isn't just numbers. It's information that powers the digital world. Big Idea 5 is all about how computing innovations shape our world. And when I say shape our world, I mean everything: our economy, our jobs, how we communicate, how we shop, how we learn, even how we think. Technology has transformed industries. Think about streaming replacing DVDs, online shopping changing retail, digital banking, remote work. Computing creates new careers while also making some older jobs less common. That's economic impact. We also talked about cultural impact. Social media influences trends, communication styles, how news spreads, and even public opinion. Technology allows ideas to move across the world instantly. But Big Idea 5 isn't just about the positives. It also focuses on challenges. Let's talk about privacy. Every time you use an app, search online, or post something, data is being collected. Who owns that data? How is it used? Should users have more control? These are real-world issues connected to computing innovations. And then there's ethics. Just because we can create a new technology doesn't always mean we should. Developers have to think about bias in algorithms, fairness, accessibility, and the unintended consequences of their creations. We also discussed the digital divide. Not everyone has equal access to technology. That impacts education, job opportunities, and overall quality of life. So as you prepare for your assessment, ask yourself, can I explain how computing innovations impact society? Do I understand both positive and negative effects? Can I discuss privacy concerns clearly? Can I explain why ethics matters in technology? Big Idea 5 reminds us that technology creates opportunity, but it also creates responsibility. And as future computer scientists, that responsibility could be yours.